Sonnet 23 by William Shakespeare. As an unperfect actor on the stage, who with his fear is put beside his part, or some fierce thing replete with too much rage, whose strength abundance weakens his own heart, so I, for fear of trust, forget to say the perfect ceremony of love's rite, and in my own love's strength seem to decay, overcharged with burden of my own love's might. Oh, let my books be then the eloquence and dumb presages of my speaking breast, who plead for love and recompense more than that tongue that more hath more expressed. Oh, learn to read what silent love has writ. To hear with eyes belongs to love's fine wit. That's the end of it.